If you are looking to decorate your home on a budget, then you have to check out Dollar General. They have some gorgeous home decor at very affordable prices. Some of these items are similar to items you would find at Kirkland's without that high price tag. Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you along with me as I go to 5 different Dollar Generals. They don't all carry the same items, so if you really look around, you can score some really great deals. So let's see what kind of new items we can find today. If you really love the farmhouse style, especially the modern farmhouse, they have some gorgeous matte black items like these plastic serving bowls. This very large one is $4, and then you can get the smaller one that matches it for $2. These would be great to store fruits or veggies in. They also have this beautiful caddy with the wood handle. You could use this for utensils or like I do in my craft room for paintbrushes. That's $6. The bread box, oh how cute is this? I love this bread box. This one is $8. Then they have this riser that has a nice metal and wood base to it. This is $15. And they have a gorgeous matte black spoon rest that you could pick up for $5. Now, if you like pigs, they have a cute potted plant holder in the black as well as a gray, and they're $7 a piece. And then they have this wired basket with the wood bottom to it for $6. Over on Kirkland's website, they have something similar. They call it a coastal wire and wood basket for a set of 2. They want $55.99 for that. These have the rope handles. So I prefer the black and wood, the more farmhouse theme, and I prefer the price tag at Dollar General. But if you like the coastal, you could take those ones from Dollar General and paint them and make them look coastal. They have some really beautiful candle holders. The smaller one is $3, then they have a medium-sized one for $5, and the largest one is $8. Those are really beautiful to put some LED candles in. And then these lanterns, oh my goodness, look how beautiful they are. Wood and metal. The smallest one is $12. The largest one is $20. They are a pretty good height. They're really, really beautiful. And over on Kirkland's website, if you type in wood and metal lanterns, you're going to see prices ranging anywhere from $38 to $128 for a set of 2. Now, I know they're not exactly alike, but if you are just going for that metal, industrial, and wood feel, I would definitely recommend going to Dollar General and saving that money. They have some really cute metal signs. These are only $3 a piece. And look at these really cute small jars with this mini spoon. Those are $2 each. That would be cute for some honey or spices. I love the detail in this faux wood sign that says happiness is homemade. They also have one that says welcome to our home. These are $8 a piece. Then look at this cute one that says farm fresh milk with the cow on it, and it has a beaded handle at the top. This one is also $8. And then right above that, I found the cutest round sign that has the metal that says home sweet home. And you guys, $4. I couldn't believe that with the metal in the middle. That is incredible. They also have this sign that says, in this kitchen, we make memories, and it's shaped like a large cutting board, and that is $10. They have the farm fresh eggs with the hen on the front. That is $3. I was also able to find the one with the cow on it that says farm fresh with milk, cream, butter, and cheese, as well as the one with the pig on it that says country market bacon and ham. All of those are $3 each. This beautiful arch, they have that in white and black, and that is $8 each. And then they have this one that is shaped like a cutting board as well for $6, and then the chalkboard menu sign behind that one. The butcher's guide for the cuts of meat, that's $8, and also has a weekly chalkboard menu sign behind that one for $8. If you like those stacked farm animal pictures, look how cute this one is for $2. Right above that, they have this one that's shaped like a house that has a stand on the back and a clip on the front. So you could actually use that in your kitchen to hold recipes. That was $6. And then this sign matches that one. It has a nice leather handle to it. And the wired framing, that also is $6. Look at that beautiful table runner for $8 with the Farmhouse truck on it. Kirkland's has these table runners for various seasons, but they range anywhere from $49.99 to $37.49 for their spring one. That's on sale. No, thank you. I will take the one from Dollar General, please. So we previously saw this black pig pot holder. Here's the gray one. It's $7. And if you like pigs, for $4 a piece, you can get these cuties that are emulating the hear no evil, see no evil, speak no evil. And this gorgeous butter dish, this reminds me of Pioneer Woman, something you would see at Walmart. $5. How beautiful is that? These cute wood cutouts for $1 a piece. They have the chicken, the pig, and the cow, and they have these little beads around their neck. And they have these decorative objects. They have the wood and the matte black. These are $5 a piece. Then look at these cute milk jug canisters for $5. They have the matte black and then the one that looks like enamelware. Then these very large galvanized buckets, you could use these to organize with, to store blankets with. That one was $12, and the black one is a little bit smaller. It's $8, and both of those have the wood handles. Then I was super excited to see this cute wired basket with the spring fabric in there. This is perfect if you gather eggs every day like I do from our hens. That one is $6. They have so many different nesting baskets you can choose from, like these that have that natural wood color. The largest one is $6. You can get the medium size for $4, and then the smallest one is $2. And these are just beautiful just to even decorate with. Looking down on the bottom shelf, I found these with the leather handles. They look almost hand woven. I'm sure they're not, but they are absolutely beautiful. The smallest one is 8. The medium size is 10, and the larger one is 12. I just love the neutral colors on this. And if you look at Kirkland's website, I know these aren't exactly the same because Kirkland's has the natural seagrass woven baskets. This is a set of 3, but they're also asking $199.99. So if you get those 3 baskets from Dollar General, you'll only have $30 invested in it. I would love to just save that extra $169.99 and get mine at Dollar General. They have various different ones with the fabric on the inside, and then they have this hyacinth caddy for $5. That's just beautiful. It matches those other baskets as well as these very well. These are decorative storage baskets. That smallest one's 12, and the largest one is $16. Now for your bathroom, they have some really gorgeous soap dispensers. This one says wash and rinse. Those are $4 a piece. And look at that beautiful laundry tin. You could use this for your laundry detergent, your laundry pods, or if you're like me and you use the liquid laundry detergent, you could put your dryer lint in there. That was $10. They have various different laundry signs for just a couple of dollars a piece. And then if you're looking for some artificial plants, they've got you covered. They range anywhere from $3 to this beautiful one here that looks like a topiary for $5. And then this one is pretty heavy. I think they have maybe some cement in it, but it is a real wood base. That's $3. And if you're looking for a hanging plant, they have these beautiful ones with the rope hangers for about $5 a piece. I found this cute sign on a stand. That's $5. And this beautiful candle holder, that's $10. And then if you like those cute mason jars that you can attach to a piece of wood, they had this set. This was $12, and I do believe that came with the wood as well. These small wood dough bowls for $4 a piece. And look at these gorgeous clocks for just $10. I really love this gold one on that stand. That is so pretty. They have some other various different tabletop decor pieces. Look at this cutie with the legs and the handle. That's $7. And these bottle carriers, these are super cute. They're on the top shelf. They're $10 a piece. And tucked away in the back of one of the shelves, I found this faux copper mailbox. Really cute. That is also $10. Now, if you're looking for some storage, they have a 3-compartment, it's like a thick plastic storage container for $5 and the single one for $3, as well as their glass canisters. So all of these have labels on them. This large one with the black lid and handle, it is $8. And then they have these beautiful ones with the wood lids that snap down, and they have the labels on the front. The smallest one is $4. The medium-sized one is $5, and the largest one is $6. This would be great not only in your kitchen but also in your craft room. This tea canister with the wood top and rope handle is $8. You guys, go over to Kirkland's and look. They have almost the exact same thing for $29.99 with the rope handle and the wood lid, and they are both 61 fluid ounces each. So almost identical. I really couldn't tell a difference other than the price tag. They also have these gorgeous tapered candlesticks. These have 3 different sizes. The smallest one is 4, the medium size is 5, and the largest one is $6. They are very similar in shape to the ones that Kirkland has. Theirs are a black cast iron, but for a set of 3, they want $79.99. I will take the ones at Dollar General. That is a huge savings. That is a savings of almost $65. Then they have these large distressed wooden pillar candle holders. These are $10 a piece. Now, I didn't see any variance in height, just the 2 that I saw, they were the same height. Over at Kirkland's, they have a 3 set with the different heights on it, but they want almost $150 for that. And I honestly think that the shape is very similar as well as the color. So I'd rather buy 3 at the same height for $30 than to spend $150. They have this faux sea glass large vase for $12, and then the smaller one is $10. And look at this beautiful one that has like a beehive shape on the outside. That one is $10. Then look at the beautiful metal matte black truck. This is so cute. This one is $10. If you head over to their Easter section, I was able to find one that was white that had a floral arrangement in the back and it had Happy Easter on the door. Now this one is $18. Kirkland's has a beautiful sage one, and it does have a little bit better detail on it. But with the price tag of $59.99, I think I would rather have the one from Dollar General. And if you want to paint it sage, you can make it whatever color you want. In the very front of the store, they had this beautiful Easter Bunny sign. This thing is so stinking cute, and it's about $15. And they also had a lot of bee-themed items right there on display in the front. So if you loved bee-themed, that's the place you need to go. You guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you've purchased any of these items that you have seen me show you today in Dollar General, let me know in the comments down below, as well as how you styled it in your house. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please take care, and I will see you guys next time.